Welcome to Martinez Law Center. We're here to stand with California tenants and protect your rights under the law. If your landlord just handed you a rent increase notice, you're probably wondering, is this even legal? Under California's new laws, you have powerful protections, but only if you know how to use them. Understanding your rights. Under AB 1482, California's Tenant Protection Act of 2019, also known as AB 1482, caps rent increases statewide. Your landlord cannot raise your rent by more than 5% plus the local consumer price index or 10% total, whichever is lower, within any 12-month period. For 2025, that typically means increases between 6% and 9%, depending on your region. Notice requirements matter. Landlords must give you proper written notice. If the increase is 10% or less, they must provide 30 days notice. If it's more than 10%, they must give you 90 days notice. No oral notices are valid. Everything must be in writing. Know your local protections. Many California cities have their own rent control laws that are even stricter than state law. Cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Oakland offer additional protections. Always check with your local rent board or housing department to see which laws apply to your situation. The stricter law always wins. How to dispute an illegal increase. First, document everything. Keep copies of your lease, rent increase notices, payment records, and all communications with your landlord. If you believe the increase is unlawful, send a formal written dispute letter explaining why the increase violates the law. Request that your landlord correct the amount or withdraw the increase entirely. If your landlord refuses to cooperate, contact your local rent board or housing department. They can mediate disputes and provide guidance. We also recommend seeking legal assistance immediately if you receive an eviction notice in response to your dispute. Important warning. Never ignore an eviction notice or stop paying your current legal rent without legal advice. Failing to respond can result in an automatic eviction order. Landlords cannot raise rent for discriminatory or retaliatory reasons, such as punishing you for requesting repairs. Your next steps? Review your rent increase notice carefully against the legal caps. Check if your property is covered under AB 1482 or local ordinances. Document any habitability issues that remain unresolved. At Martinez Law Center, we exclusively represent tenants, never landlords, in unlawful detainer cases and tenant rights matters throughout Orange County, Riverside, San Diego, and Los Angeles. We understand the challenges you face, and we're here to fight for your rights.